Hello, in this video I want to show you all available lock screen gestures and motions on REALME GT2. And to do this we'll need to open the settings. Now scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Right here we can see gestures and motions, and now let's check which of these options work on the lock screen. And the first thing is a screen of gestures. If you enable it, you'll see all of the screen of gestures. I'm gonna cover it at the end of the video, and first let's go for the first page right here. So we have swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot and touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Normally when your phone is unlocked it works like that. That's the first option for the screenshot, and second option for partial screenshot. And let's see if this works on lock screen. Obviously we'll need to wake up our phone and try to use it. This one is not available, but this one should work fine. Next is raise to wake. Now if you lock your phone and pick it up, it should wake up without touching the screen. Yep, it works fine. Lift to ear to answer calls. Now if you enable it and receive any calls, you can pick up your phone to your ear and it should answer a call automatically. The same as with receiver, and flip to mute to mute all incoming calls. If you enable it and place your phone upside down, it will disable all calls and you will enter something like DND mode. So this all features work on your lock screen. I can show you exactly how, but trust me that they do. Now let's move on to screen of gestures. You'll need to enable them to see all of that features right here. And first one is double tap to wake up or turn off screen. Let's try it. As you can see, it works fine. Next one is draw O to open camera and draw V to turn on flashlight. If you enable it, there's also music control, which I can show you at one time. We can lock our phone, draw O to open camera, draw V to turn on flashlight, and the last thing is a music control. So you can control any media by drawing pause to play or pause music. You can draw arrow to the right or left to play next or previous track. And there's also one last option right here in more. You can select any different shortcuts like this. And if you click on them, you can give them different functions like unlock your phone, make a call, or open app. Here's a list of all apps installed on your device, but let's go for unlock. And now if we draw arrow up, you can see that we have a fingerprint unlock. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.